Forge Motorsport are proud to present the world's first piston-operated wastegate with water cooling capability. Designed, developed and manufactured at our UK headquarters in Gloucester, we have produced a wastegate that will not fail you. We chose to make the valve out of Inconel due to its ability to retain strength in extreme temperatures. The body has been machined out of the highest quality aerospace billet aluminium. Once every component has been machined, it's quality controlled and ready for assembly. One of the main components in this product is the spring. So for this, we approached the world-leading spring manufacturer, IBAC. Our wastegates have been sent all around the world, tested in different climates, at different altitudes, on many applications, so that we are certain that it can work anywhere. Fully serviceable and engineered for performance, it comes with our Forge Motorsport lifetime warranty.